How do tags add up to your WordPress blog? 1. Role of tags in crawling the WordPress blog. WordPress tags are a small but powerful tool to make your content more sortable, searchable, and rich, and keep search engines that much happier. Tags are a must-have for any blog. Without labels, your blog posts would be hard to search on Google. Tags are crucial for building a user-friendly website. They help you to make your content more relevant, distinguishable, searchable, and fresh. Tags are a great way to make your content more relevant and help you reach your target audience. 2. User-oriented content by blogs tag. Your tags aren't just for you, they're for other people too. Use and combine them to make your blog more visible to your readers and increase traffic. Tags are a way to organize your content in a way that makes it easy for readers to find what they need. You must use tags effectively and consistently in your blog. 3. Site navigation by using tags in WordPress blog. The use of tags in a blog is crucial. It helps readers to find the content they are looking for and also helps them navigate through the content easily. Tags are a significant part of the blog because they allow users to navigate and find content quickly. Click the link to learn more.